10 o'clock. And my Who's What's It is still. Oh, look at this. Isn't this pretty? I have no idea what's going on out here tonight, but that's what I got staring at me tonight. Just camped out. And there it is, so you get, for reference where it's at, what it's doing, where it's been. In the meantime, those other things are still flying around up there. Don't know what those are. Only one little light. I have a feeling nobody knows what those are. And my campout buddy. Look at the colors on this thing now. Interesting. Sorry, I'm cold. Other things. Okay. Hey, how are y'all? If you want to come down and get warm, I got coffee and bread. Okay, when don't I? Right? See? Bye. Just left. Phased out. Poof. Gone. Oh, wait. No.